In this video, I'm going to show you a new website that will pay you for not doing any work. All you need is just to need your phone. You don't need any investment, you don't need to invest any money or bring anything. It's available worldwide, and I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you step by step that you take to make your own money. So relax and make sure you watch this video to the end. At the end, I'm going to show you a bonus tips that will help you to make more money than people who already know this app. But before I forget, I'll try of you to like this video. Please help me to like this video. Let's continue. In this video, I'm going to show you an app that you come here. You can see we have articles here. You come and copy all the articles here. Then you paste it somewhere for the thing to realize the article for you. Then what? You get paid for doing all those things. So you can see that is the payment proof that I have here. This is a payment proof. The money that I've received so far, this is a payment proof. So you can see I've made 922 cents dollars from this simple app I'm coming to show you. It's very simple. I'm coming to show you. So I'm going to reload my screen. So I'm coming to reload my screen to prove to you that yeah, this is a real money. It's not any fake money. It's not any fake thing I'm coming to show you. So as you can see, after reloading the screen, everything is still intact. You can see the money is still intact. Everything is there. As you can see on the screen, everything is there. But guys, I'm very sorry that I'm not uploading video as usual. The thing being that I have to invest in the app when it works before I come and do the video. I will not stand up and just begin to do the video. I have to try it and get paid before I come here and show it to you so that I can also do it. That's the main reason that I've not been posting my video every day as I promise you. No, I have to wait and invest the money inside when the outcome have come and it's good before I bring it here. So in this video we have 6 processes that I'm coming to show you. So we have 5 processes that I'm coming to show you to do and make your own money. So just relax. I'm coming to show you. I'm coming to let you pass through all the processes. Just relax. I'll be back with you. Okay, welcome back. Now let's start quickly by going on to the first step, which says that copy articles from reliable sources. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 sources that you can copy your articles for free. There is no copyright, or there is nothing that they will arrest you for doing copyright. So as you can see, the first website we are having here, which is the first place you can copy the article, which is what? Killer PLR articles. So this is a place that you can come and copy articles here for free and go and post it or publish it. Nobody will arrest you for any copyright issue. Is here. People come and write article here for free. So you have a bunch of articles here that will help you to copyright it or to copy it and download it and go use it anywhere. So the first thing you have to do, you have to click on the top there, which says business corporations. You click on it. Then as you can see, you have a lot of articles categories. As you can see, this one says art and entertainment, this one said food, this one says self-improvement, and this one health and fitness. You have a lot of categories here. So you can come here and click on anyone at all that you like. So this one, let's come and business and economy, and let's choose advertisement. You can see there is a lot of articles under there that you can come and copy for free and use for free. So let's use one as example. Okay, let's go to advertisement. So I click on advertisement and it's loading. So let's wait for it to load, and I'll show you something that you need to know there. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so as you have come, as you can see it, now you have what they say 4 key points for branding. So you have a lot of articles here that you can copy for free. Remember, it's 100% free. So you can see this one contains 279 words, and let's click on it and let's see how the article is being rated. So you can see there's a lot of articles here that you can come and copy, and they are all free. Nobody will arrest you for copying articles or stealing anything from this website. People came here and write articles for free, and they get
the next place I will show you is what we call easy articles. That's the next website that I will show you. And here too, you can find articles that you copy free of charge. They will not take any money from you. They will not take any copyright. So if you can see article categories, you can see that we have a bunch of categories here as business, finance, gaming, any article that you're looking for, you will find it here. So yours is to just click on the type of article that you want to deal with. So I'm just going to choose a random article. Then let me show you how it will look like. So you can come and do anything at all. They will not. So this one is a business advertisement. So you can see we have a bunch of articles here. we have a bunch of articles in this column here, as you can see on the screen. So you can copy this article and go and print it, and nobody will arrest you for any there's no copyright. People normally come here and write it for free for us, for anybody who want to use at all, and come and use it. So there's no copyright anything there. So you can see this a bunch of articles here as on the screen. You can see this a bunch of articles. So ours is to just copy that bunch of articles and go and paste it, and we get paid for doing all those things. So just copy all, just copy all the articles here that you see. Copy, or if you don't like this one, go to the next page. You have a lot of articles here. You have a lot of articles there that if I want to talk about it, I don't want to make this video long, because I want to make this video very short. So very short. So let's do everything fast. So a few articles, and the third article that I'm going to show you, this is what you call the content project, the P is content project, as you can see on the screen. So the PLR content project, that's the third website I'm going to show you, that no YouTuber have ever shown you this before, or have ever shown you this one before. I'm the only person that I'm doing it so far, as I think. So as you can see, this one, we have a bunch of articles here that you can copy and do. I have a bunch of articles. So let's go to the fitness. You can see that let's go to the finance. You can see the finance. We have a bunch of articles there. So you also just click on it and choose the one you like to be represented in your in where you get the money. So as you can see, you have why a loan is this and that. So as you can see, we have a lot of articles which are here for free. So far, those are the third WhatsApp that I show you, that you can come and copy articles for free. They will not take any money from you. They don't take anything from you. They don't take anything for you. And this WhatsApp too, you can have some books that you have to buy. As you can see, this WhatsApp here, this is that WhatsApp here. So you can see you have a lot of next page. You can see. So you have about 134 pages there, as you can see. So I will show you a demo right now. So I'm going to show you a demo right now. And that means I'm coming to do everything. Now I will copy the articles and do everything for you. So that's the first step. Now the second step we are having is what? Copy and spinning those articles. So we are going to copy and spin those articles, meaning that we are going to copy all the articles that we have here. You can see. So I'm coming to do it. So we copy all the articles that we have here. Copy. Then we go to what we call spin.com. This is another website. So you go to this spin.com and you paste all the articles here. And spin.com is a website that is created for you to come and for example, maybe the article is not from you, but you can come and paste it here, and they will rewrite all the article for you. They will just change the word for you. Maybe when the word is for example, any words at all, they will just change it for you. So you're going to paste it here, as you can see. As I saw, we pasted it here. Then you're going to click we are not a robot. You click on it, wait for it to load. And after that, then you click on what? The go. So just wait for it to load. So after a few times, you can see that the thing have perfectly load. And if you scroll down, you can see that this is what the thing that the machine are writing for us. It is a different thing altogether, and you can see it's under rewrite test. So you can see under here, this is what the machine have written for us. But for me not to forget to tell you, this one is a machine who wrote it, so the machine may do a mistake. So we go to another website that I'll show you right now, that you can check the grammar, the spelling mistake of anything at all. I'm coming to show you right now, and then we check all. But it's not necessary for now, because I don't want this video to be long, but you can go and check it yourself. So you can go to what we call paperrater.com. Yeah, when you go there, you can go and check the grammar and check everything there. But I don't want to make this video so long, so complicated for you to understand. So just go to paper.com and you can paste everything there. Then they will rewrite everything for you, check the spelling for you. But I don't want to. So let's go to the fourth step. This is what we call that making the money. This is how we are going to make the money. So now we come to a website called clearvoice.com. Yeah, that's the name of the website. And now let me bring everything closer so you see. Now you can see this clearvoice.com is a website that will pay you for writing essays for people. So don't worry, I will show you every secret behind. Then you go to the top there and click on we are going to look for lancers. So you click on freelancers. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, so we click on the freelancers. Now what we are coming to do here, as the thing is displaying on the screen, let me be explaining more to you. Now when you come here, you also to come and sign up for free. you sign up as a Lansler, as a person who is coming to write article for people. So you can see a clear voice for Lancelars. That's what you can see. So yours is to put your name, put your everything, and sign up. But I don't want to make this video. The video is getting long, so I'll not show you that process. Just put your email and all those things, and boom, you are here. So this is what I've created right now. This is what I've created right now. Right now, I have my accounts that I will at the end of the video. I'll show you my account. Now here you can see you have to set all your profile. So as you can see, I have 10% there. Now, all that 10% means that I have some places that I have to fill. When I fill those places, the 10% is supposed to run her to 100%. And that's how that places. That's how it's supposed to be. So we are going to fill some forms here. You change your picture, you change your edit, everything for you to be able to reach the 100%. So don't worry, I'm going to show you everything. Now this is a man or a person who is also a victim of this. You can see his name, and he has been writing article for people. He has been taking a lot of money. I can boldly say that he's making a lot of money here. So as you can see, these are some of his articles that he has written. So as you can see here, these are some of the articles he has written. So this is the same to we are going to do. We are going to write an article to look like this, for people to come to the page and see it and buy it, or if they will not buy it, then they will call us to write another one for them. So as you can see, these are new websites that I've created, and where the 10% is, we are going to change some things then to make it 100%. And not forgetting to, this person here is making a lot of money. You can see he's having a nice articles here. So now what we are going to do now is we are going to add content to our profile. We are going to make our profile this one. So you can see that down here we have our add content. So we click on that add content there, and now this is where we will be pasting our articles that you have copied. And you can see when you finish updating all your profile, your the number that you have here 10 is supposed to change to 100. So you can see these are some of the things you have to fill: your first name, your last name, your personal website. If you're not having some, just leave it like that, and you have to fill all those forms. As you can see, I'm doing on the screen right now. You have to fill all the forms. But if this video is very complicated, you can't do it. I will leave a link below that will lead you to my WhatsApp group. Just click on that link and come and ask me any question, or drop your link below, drop your comments below. Ask me any question, ask me what you don't understand. I'll be applying to, and I will answer all your comments. Thank you. So let's continue. So as you can see, I'm doing on the screen. So those are the things that we're coming to do. Now here you can write anything at all. Maybe what you will be able of writing, and you can say, okay, I can write article about a car, article about anything. But remember that, because we are not writing this ourselves, we are copying it for somewhere else. So you can write anything at all. So here you can write maybe where you have written the tagline, you can write something like satisfying my client is my priority. You can write this. Then where they have written all those things, you have to choose the caliber of articles you can write. So you can decide to choose anything at all, because we are not going to write an article ourselves. So after filling all those things, you can see that the number is increasing. So after your picture and all those things, now let me show you a trick that will make you hype. Have you seen where the Facebook, the Twitter, all those things are, as shown on the screen? Where the Twitter, where the Quora and the media, all those things, you have to put your link there. You have to put your link to all those places for you to make your accounts very to make your account reach 100% fast. So you have to write, drop your link of Facebook, everything that they ask you. Just drop a link there. Now that's Quora. If you're not having Quora, just go to www.quora.com and put your link there. If you don't have media, go to www.media.com, put your link there. So just is to click on it, as you can see. So this is my account that I've created. So after finishing all these things, you can see they say join the talent network. So just click on join the talent network. So this is my account that I have created, and that is my name there, Agbon Derek. Satisfying my clients is my priority, and this is the account that I've created. So far, those are a few things that we are going to do. Now I want to bring this video to the end, because I don't want to make this video very long. So yours is come here and come and copy the articles. So I'm coming to copy an article and paste it there for me to show you how to do it. So you can see the heading of the articles, and this is the body. So you just copy all the articles. So you copy all the articles, then we copy it, then we come here, then we paste the article. Sorry for the noise at the background. So you copy the articles, the heading at the top there, as you can see at the top there. You copy the articles heading. So we copy it at the top there, then you go to the first tab, then we paste it. Say paste your URL there. So you paste it here and you click on what, add. So what this thing will do, that where you have found the article, it will automatically generate the place that you have found the article. So let's wait for a while. As you can see, it have generate the place that you have found the article. So that's the article there. That's the whole article that we found at that page. That is it on the list that you can see there. So yours is to so you're trying to create something like what this man have done here. So you're trying to create something like that. So what the article will do for you, the article will generate a background picture for you automatically. But if you don't like it, you can try to remove it, and you're going to fill the description box. So yours is to fill the box here. So let's start by the first one, which says what, category. So categories, you're going to click on finance. Select finance and click on finance. Okay, so let's choose, I'm not seeing the finance. Okay, let's choose that one. So you come to the second one, you put the first item that you see here, you put it there. And you come to this one too, you put everything there perfectly. You put everything, you put this on articles, and you leave that one published content, you leave it like that. Then you come to the description. The description, what you do is that you come here and come and copy the whole article here. Copy the whole article you have here. So copy and come and paste it at where the description box is. Paste it there and out, publish it. Bam! So after publishing it, this is how it will look like. So let me kind of, this is how it will look like, as you will see. So it's very simple to do. So I don't want to make this video long, so I'm coming to end here. And don't forget, the name is still Shapiro Acid. Like, subscribe, and drop your comments to my video, and I will make sure I reply to all the comments. And see you next time on my video. And if there is anything for you complicated for you, click on the link below to join my WhatsApp group. I will see you next time that I do another video. See you. Bye.